Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the podcast. I'm super happy you're here with me today. So today we're going to talk about learning English. But here's the thing. We're talking about what not to do. I see so many people wasting time with bad methods. Let's fix that right now together. Look, I get it. Grammar feels important. You want to get it right. But here's the truth. You don't need to memorize every single rule. That's just boring and it doesn't help you speak at all, really. Think about little kids. They don't study grammar books. They just listen and talk. That's how they learn their first language perfectly. You gotta do the same thing with English right now today. Okay, so you're learning 10 new words every day. That's great, right? Wrong. If you just memorize random words, you'll forget them super fast tomorrow. Your brain doesn't work like that at all, really. You need to see words in real sentences and stories instead. Like, don't just learn exhausted. Read it in a sentence like, I'm exhausted. That way your brain remembers it way better and you'll actually use it. This one's huge. So many people wait years before they speak English. They think, I'm not ready yet. I need more time. No, you don't. You're ready right now, seriously. Just start talking today immediately. Yes, you're gonna make mistakes. Everyone does. I still make mistakes. But guess what? Making mistakes is how you learn and get better fast. So stop waiting and just start speaking English with anyone today. Textbooks are fine, but they're kinda boring, right? And they don't show you real English that people actually use every day outside. Nobody talks like a textbook in real life at all, ever. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts like this one. Watch Netflix with English subtitles on. That's how people really talk nowadays. You'll learn slang, expressions, and how to sound natural and cool always. I know you do this. You hear English, translate it to your language, then translate back. That takes forever and makes speaking super slow and hard for you. It's exhausting for your brain too, trust me on this. Start thinking in English directly without translating first. Like when you see a dog, just think dog, not your language word first. It feels weird at first, but gets easier every single day with practice. Why are you learning English? Seriously, why? If you don't know, you're gonna quit soon, probably. You need a real reason that gets you excited and motivated every single day to continue. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to understand English songs finally. Whatever it is, write it down somewhere visible. Look at it when you feel lazy or tired today. A lot of people focus on reading and writing only. But listening is super important too, guys. How else will you understand movies, songs, or people talking to you in person? Listen to English every single day, even for 10 minutes only. Podcasts, music, audiobooks, whatever you like most. Your ears need practice just like your mouth does too. This helps you speak better naturally over time. Learning English takes time. Like real time. Months. Maybe years. That's totally normal for everyone learning a new language from scratch. If you quit after 2 weeks, you'll never see results or improvement at all. Progress is slow at first, but it's happening inside your brain secretly. Keep going even when it feels hard or boring sometimes. 1 year from now, you'll be amazed at how much you've actually improved already. Just use English every day in fun ways that you enjoy personally. Watch shows you like, talk to people online or in person nearby. Read about topics you care about deeply. Make it fun, not work or homework. Find someone to practice with, a friend, teacher, or language partner online. Talk about anything, weather, food, movies, whatever you want, really. Real conversations make you learn faster than anything else out there, period. Don't waste months on methods that don't work well or make sense. Start using English like it's alive, not like it's homework from school. Speak now, make mistakes now, and have fun with it every single day forward. Learning English is totally possible for you. Just be smart about how you do it starting today. Thanks so much for listening, guys. I'll catch you in the next episode soon.